Ringo!
Adopt-A-Pet of Shelton is having an open house today, and they're having some bluegrass music. Let's go inside. Hi.
Hello.
Fine, how are you?
Hello, my dear.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Okay. Our facility, we started in 1979. 7 volunteers got together and realized that there was a need for unwanted and unhoused dogs in Mason County. Flash forward a few years, became the official name of Adopt-A-Pet. We are a nonprofit, fully volunteer-based organization, accommodated of a board and many volunteers that do every item here at the facility. Goosey, saying hello. So one thing that we pride ourselves in our facility here is all of our dogs have an indoor and outdoor kennel. So they are not in small little boxes. They've got room to roam. Inside is heated and cooled, which is awesome. Our dogs stay here until we find that forever home. So on the profiles, we list their age, their weight, how many days they've been here. Goose has been here for 6 years. Just his person hasn't come to us yet. But he is home until that person walks through our door.
Hi, Goose. I recognize you. Yes, I do.
Yeah. We did a fun enrichment item. We did Picassos. So our dogs painted these using a Ziploc bag and peanut butter, which they love to do. Goose is already sold. On the back we have little bio about the dog and a picture of the dog actually painted.
Oh, that's cool.
They love them. We are doing these by donation today. However you hold it can be kind of a different image. On the back side, Triggers reminds me of a Triceratops, which is pretty cool. Fully volunteer based. We have not one paid staff member here, so cleaning, walking, mowing our yards, everything. Ringo has stars. He is our highlight. We have 2 goals today for our event. Well, 3. Let people know about us. Spreading the word of the amazing things we do. Trying to get more volunteers, more community support, letting people know we are a gem in Mason County. We are raising funds for agility items in our yards, and then we are really hoping to find Ringo's home. So he's been here with us for over 4 years. He's an amazing dog. I mean, all of our dogs are, but we're really highlighting him, which hence the Ringo is a star shirt.
Oh, cool.
Sam and Marty's yard. One thing that we pride ourselves here at Adopt-A-Pet is every dog, we do not kill for space, we do not euthanize. So this yard is yard 3. It was named after Sam and Marty, who were 2 of our sanctuary dogs that lived with us until they both passed. Fun thing with the yards is we have pools out, so on those super hot days our dogs get to go out, splash around in the pool, which we have a handful that absolutely love it. We also do yard buddies in the dogs, so we introduce dogs together. If they get along, we get to get them out so they get a little socialization, a little more energy burning. Some of the interaction, you can step in here, one of our goals. Yard 1, which we have our silent auction, and there's some agility stuff, but here's our yard 2. So part of the funds that we are raising for today is to get more enrichment items out here. So more agility things so we could exercise the brain, exercise the dogs a little bit more coming out into our yards. Yeah. Other awesome part is we have access, which I know you know, the trail system behind us. So we get to get our dogs out in the yards, we get to walk them on the road, and then to get them out in a longer sniff spot, more outdoorsy, closed in, we get to walk back there. Last year our goal was to raise money to build a new fence, which we thankfully hit that goal. So the whole perimeter just got redone, and then we just redid these panels as well.
It's a beautiful
next goal
fence.
is, yes, to get that all stained. So the star of the show, this is Ringo.
When I was like, oh, we're just getting a quick picture with Ringo Star. Ringo. Come on, we got Ringo.
So why has he been here for so long?
Just the right family hasn't come along. If you go on Pet Finder and even search just dogs in the area, you'll get thousands of dogs. So we're pretty lucky if we get an application that comes in. But he needs to be the king of his castle. He would really succeed in just being the only dog with a yard and a couch and a person to love on him.
And it could have 100 people because he loves them all.
And kids.
And babies.
And there's a board that tells all about him over there too.
Okay.
Giant metal Bigfoot. This was also made from the incarcerated out at WCC for fundraising.
That is cool.
Domino's actually donated pizza for us today
nice.
for our event.
You got a lot of pit bull mixes, don't you?
Depends. Lately, we've been on a very high German Shepherd kick and Husky kick. So it just depends. We get our dogs between owner surrenders. We work with City of Shelton cruelty cases. And sometimes, no matter how long it's been, our dogs, if their person becomes ill that have been adopted, we take our dogs back. So just depends. We have a constant waiting list, dogs waiting to come in to be helped. But yeah, you'll see a little bit of everything. But yeah, lately we've been on a German Shepherd kick, which Duke is our newest. He has got to us 9 days ago. The other highlight that
he's
I love,
older, isn't he?
He's 5.
Okay. Duke's a little unhappy, it looks like.
Yeah, it's a lot going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we also have Mason County Sheriff Office is doing a canine demo, which they just got here. That's part of our event.
Nice.
And our van is pretty awesome. So given that we are fully volunteer community support, William Bill Leander adopted a dog from us. When he passed away, he left us in his estate as a bequest. And we were able to buy this brand new van to safely transport all of our dogs.
That is beautiful. How long have you had it?
Oh, 4 or 5 years now, I believe.
Oh, okay.
Don't quote me on that one, but it's been a handful of years.
That
We
is
had a really old
gorgeous.
van that was breaking down on us often, so now we can safely transport. We use it in the parades when we go to
That's where I saw
Christmas
it.
parade, Forest Festival parade.
Okay, yeah.
All of our dogs are fully vetted, microchipped, spayed, neutered, vaccinated. So we use that to get our dogs to and from all the vet appointments.
Nice, nice.